In today's video, you will see the 10 signs that someone needs a parasite cleansing in their body. In a recent video, we taught you how to use papaya seeds as a natural dewormer. Did you watch it? Did you know that intestinal worms are more common than we imagine? According to a paper published by Clinical Microbiology Reviews, we are like a virtual zoo of microscopic flora and fauna. The report reveals that an average man can host up to 300 parasitic worms and 70 species of protozoans. Along millions of years of human evolution, some worms came from primordial ancestors and other animals. Not all microbes are parasitic, meaning they steal blood and nutrition from your system. Some of these tiny organisms are harmless. However, intestinal worms can cause diseases and other health conditions if not treated. For example, anemia. While vampires are a thing of fiction, the tiny bloodsuckers of nature actually exist. Some species of parasites bite through the lining of your digestive system to absorb vital blood. After a while, you may develop iron deficiency anemia. Changes in appetite. You may hear pregnant women saying they are eating for two. Did you know that if you have worms, you eat for thousands? A paper published by Mayo Clinic says that only even 2 hookworms can be a problem for you. These disgusting plagues attach themselves to the lining of your intestines and steal nutrients from you. As you share everything, you may not feel full even after a meal and may have an uncommon hunger. You may also develop painful swelling and flatulence due to worms and other parasites. Digestive issues. Did you know that a worm infestation can imitate other digestive issues? Some people who have flatulence, abdominal distension, diarrhea, and constipation may be incorrectly diagnosed with IBS or other conditions. Many are surprised when additional tests reveal they have intestinal worms that need to be eliminated. Teeth grinding. Have you ever noticed your sleep partner grinding their teeth at night? This condition, called bruxism, is usually caused by sleep disorders and generalized anxiety. Both can be symptoms of intestinal worms, which release toxins that interact with your neurotransmitters. Unusual fatigue. Trying to juggle family care, career, and other social responsibilities is enough to make you exhausted. However, you need to evaluate if you are more tired than usual. If you are malnourished and anemic, feeling fatigued, lethargic, and depressed, it might be intestinal worms. Food poisoning. If you ever had a food poisoning episode, you know what a digestive nightmare that is. Sometimes a previous blow can leave you even more vulnerable to digestive tract parasites. If your digestive system is chronically changed, a deworming might help. Muscle and joint aches. When you are fighting an intestinal worm infection, they travel freely around your body. Once worms get tired from walking around your guts, they may migrate to muscles and joints. The toxins these worms excrete can cause pain in your joints and muscles. Interrupted sleep. If you don't sleep enough, your body will pay the price. You feel grumpy, lazy, stuck in a brain fog. Sometimes the issue is a non-diagnosed condition of worms. They interrupt your sleep with digestive problems, itchiness, and unexplained body aches. Digestive issues during a trip. It is better to pay attention to the water and foods you ingest and what you step on when you travel or stay out of your house for a while. In this case, it is essential to do a parasite cleansing after traveling out of the country for any period. Skin conditions. Internal or external worms can cause an infinity of skin diseases. Did you know that? Some people have unexplainable hives, skin rashes, dermatitis, eczema, or extreme itchiness. Although many people are disgusted by this theme, intestinal worms are common and harmful if not treated. Talk to your doctor about these and other ways of diagnosing and eliminating parasites from your digestive system. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.